Give reason to show that none of the numbers 640 comma 81,000 comma here ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 like 36 lakh is a perfect square. So as you can see here number of zeros is 1 which is odd, here number of zeros which is 3 that is odd, and here number of zeros we are having 5 that is also odd. Okay, so as we have studied or as we know that whenever the squares of the number it is having a after squaring, okay, after squaring when the number we are having a, I mean only I'm talking about zeros, when it is having an odd numbers of zeros, it will be never perfect square. Why? Because we have one formula for that, that is 2n. So what it says, according to the property fifth, okay, if a number of if number ends with n zeros, if it is number is ends with a 2, or if it is number is ends with a 3, okay, for this we can take an example 100, for this you can take an example of 1000. When we will do the square of this, no, we will apply the formula for this. For here 2, here now how many numbers of zeros are there? 2. So 2 2 is 4. So when I'll do the square of this 100, no, I'll get 4 zeros. This is even. And here in the second n we are having 3, that is 2 into 3, 3 2 is 6. So when I'll do the square of this 1000, no, I'll get that is 6 zeros. Okay, so this is also what? Even number. So whenever we will do the square of the numbers, always we will get a even number, we will never get a odd number. So if you are having for example 1000, this is an odd number, here we will not get a perfect square root because we are having here odd numbers of zeros. From this discussion we can say the answer, no number has an even number of zeros in the question. So all the numbers, I mean all the zeros we are having in the question, that is odd number. So if we are having even, then only we will get the perfect square root. That's why no number has an even number of zeros to get a perfect square root number. As we have discussed here, if you are having odd numbers of zeros, you will not get a perfect square root for that, and if you are having an even number of zeros, you will get a perfect square root for that.